Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve talkback problem on Samsung mobile. Friends, you have talkback problem and friends you are not operating your Samsung phone. So how to solve this talkback problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, how to solve talkback problem. As you can see, I'm not operating my phone. So how to solve talkback problem? First of all, friends, use your two finger and swipe. And friends, click on your phone setting icon. Setting icon, one tap. And friends, continue to tap on phone setting. And friends, now click on guys any setting as connection setting. I will click. Friends, use your two finger and friends swipe here. Scroll it. And friends, now use your one finger and friends click on accessibility. Friends, continue to tap. As you can see, talkback setting, spoken assistant setting, visibility setting, talkback. Friends, again double tap, continue. Friends, you can see talkback setting is on. Friends, one tap, double tap, turn off talkback, double tap. Friends, talkback off. Friends, you can see talkback problem is solved, and friends, now you can use your phone guys without any talkback problem. And friends, you can solve with your search option also guys. Now I will show you how to solve. Allow here friends, you can see talkback setting is on. Friends, you can use with double tap, one tap and double tap. You can use your phone with two finger. Friends, click on phone setting again, and friends direct click on search option on Samsung phone and get search here talk back. Friends, you can see talk back. Friends, direct one tap here and press double tap here. Friends, you can see talkback, one tap and press double tap. Talkback is on. Friends, you will have to off, and guys your talkback problem will solve talkback off on your Samsung mobile. And friends, you can see how to use talkback, how to turn off talkback. Friends, you can see swipe right or left side to remove between item, double tap to activate, and friends, you can see draw two finger to scroll. So when two finger we can scroll our screen, one finger you cannot scroll. And friends, you can see how to turn off. So friends, you can off, you can see guys this button setting, you can off volume key setting, press and hold both of volume for a few seconds and guys talkback automatic off. So like that friends, we can solve talkback problem on Samsung mobile. Bye guys.